How to fix unable to remove payment method because of active subscription on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of being unable to remove a payment method because of an active subscription on your iPhone. If you have been struggling with this, don't worry, there's a simple solution, so let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open up any browser that you are currently using. It can be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser that you prefer. Now, in the search bar, you need to go ahead and type Apple ID login. Then you need to press on go. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on the first link that appears that says appleid.apple.com. Now, you need to simply go ahead and tap on sign in option. Then you need to sign up using your Apple account. After you are successfully logged in, you need to look for the arrow button in the top right corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on that, and you will see an option that says payment and shipping. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, if you have a payment method listed, you will see an update option at the bottom of your screen. Click on that, and then you need to enter your new debit or credit card number and add it to your Apple Wallet. And once you have added your new payment method, you should now be able to successfully remove the old payment method without any issues. And that's it. You have fixed the issue of being unable to remove your payment method due to an active subscription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.